sinasabi ko namin sa ating mga beneficiaries, pensioners, members of the SSS, sigurado ng kanilang retirement pensions, sigurado ang kanilang bukas.
Napakaganda pa rin na ang SSS na niya nagsasabi, sigurado sa lahat.
Ay sa napakagandang performance ng SSF no 2025. The SSS is able to come up with more programs that will benefit its members, no?
This good performance translates to opportunities for SSS to deliver better service to the Philippines. You are able to increase pensions by 10% last year. We will increase pensions by 10% this year, and we will increase pensions by 10% next year.
Kasi mag-compensate sa taas ng mga bilihin, mababalanse. Yan ang pinakamaganda. So, sana pag tuloy-tuloy yung mga plano nyo. At sa ganda ng plano.
I'd like to congratulate Secretary Frederick Go and President Robert J. DeClaran for the wonderful job that they're doing for SSS and for us to retiree pension. Malaking bagay yun.